Welcome to SciFlux. Here, you get daily coverage of the latest scientific research. Every day, we bring you new research in a clear and simple format so you can stay informed without wasting time. Like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment to stay connected and help this channel grow. And if you want each new research delivered directly to you, join the SciFlux newsletter. The first paper explores how economists measure the true impact of government spending. When billions are injected into the economy, does it genuinely stimulate growth or just shift resources around? Standard correlation-based methods can't answer this, and even advanced tools like Panel Vector Autoregressions, PVARS, struggle to isolate causal effects. This study introduces a solution using external instruments, variables that influence only the policy in question, combined with a new metric called mu-late, designed to capture precise causal pathways. Extensive simulations confirmed the method's reliability, particularly for analyzing impulse responses or how systems react to shocks. Applying it to state-level military spending, using each state's share of national defense expenditures as an instrument, they found fiscal multipliers above 1. Each dollar spent generated more than $1 in economic output, with the strongest effects in the current and following year. This approach offers policymakers a robust way to distinguish true cause from correlation. It can guide more effective interventions in defense, infrastructure, or tax policy, ensuring resources generate maximum impact. By clarifying causal effects in complex economic systems, this research provides a powerful tool for designing smarter, evidence-based policies. Next paper explores a breakthrough in predicting binary outcomes, situations where we only care if something is positive or negative, like stock moves or customer churn. Traditional methods struggle when relationships are complex or nonlinear. For decades, the maximum score estimator, pioneered by Mansky, has been a go-to tool, using indicator functions to capture the binary nature of outcomes. The problem: these functions are jagged and non-differentiable, making modern gradient-based optimization difficult. The new research proposes a solution: replacing indicator functions with ReLU, rectified linear unit functions, which are smooth and compatible with gradient-based methods. This gives rise to the ReLU-Based maximum score, RMS estimator, which is easier to optimize, generalizes to a broader class of problems, and comes with strong theoretical guarantees for convergence and asymptotic behavior. Even more, the RMS estimator can be embedded as a specialized layer in a deep neural network, DNN. This integration allows researchers to leverage GPUs, TPUs, and advanced optimization tools, bridging classical econometrics and modern AI. From predicting economic trends to modeling consumer behavior, this framework makes complex estimation problems tractable and opens the door to new insights in a data-rich world. Next paper explores a major challenge in analyzing complex systems: hidden groups in panel data, like countries or firms, that behave differently, even if we can't directly observe them. Traditional methods struggle when these groups overlap or aren't clearly separated, making conclusions unreliable. The new research introduces a selective conditional inference method. Instead of assuming perfectly distinct groups, it calculates statistical properties conditional on the group structure already estimated from the data. In other words, it explicitly accounts for uncertainty in identifying hidden patterns. This approach delivers valid inference even when groups are fuzzy and overlapping, and surprisingly, it often outperforms conventional methods even when groups are clearly separated. By properly addressing the uncertainty in estimating group membership, it provides more robust, reliable insights. The paper demonstrates this with two real-world applications, exploring the link between national income and democratic governance, and analyzing firm-level R&D cyclicality. By accounting for the murkiness of hidden groups, this method sharpens our understanding of the unseen forces shaping economies, innovation, and global systems. Next paper explores a surprising barrier to AI adoption in the workplace: human ego. While AI promises efficiency and accuracy, this study reveals that concerns about appearing competent can prevent workers from fully leveraging these tools. Researchers conducted a field experiment with 450 U.S. remote workers performing an image categorization task with AI assistance. Some knew their AI use would be visible to an evaluator, while others did not. Despite assurances that using AI would improve performance evaluations, workers who felt observed relied on AI far less, which actually reduced their accuracy. The study found the root cause. Workers feared that using AI signals a lack of confidence, threatening their professional image. This isn't about AI's capability. It's about human perception and social identity. The implications are clear. Companies must design environments that encourage collaboration with AI, reassuring employees that reliance on technology enhances rather than diminishes their competence. Understanding these psychological barriers is as important as improving the AI itself, ensuring humans and machines can truly work together. Next paper explores how a nearly two-decade-old Supreme Court case, Verizon versus Trinko, 2004, is shaping the future of AI and digital healthcare law. The challenge: ensuring legal principles remain relevant as technology evolves at breakneck speed. The study highlights two key risks: Trinko creep, where the precedent is wrongly over-applied, and false negatives, where it should be applied but isn't. The authors argue that as new tech emerges, the latter risk grows, potentially leaving AI and digital health sectors legally exposed. Using a new institutional economics approach, the researchers dissected the original ruling to clarify its economic and institutional foundations. They show that Trinko is highly relevant for cases involving access to sensitive consumer data in electronic health records, EHRS, and the persistent memory systems of autonomous AI. This analysis provides a proactive legal framework, helping policymakers and technologists navigate data access, ownership, and AI governance. By correctly applying Trinko, we can protect personal data and responsibly shape the legal landscape for advanced technologies. Next paper explores a refined approach to measuring societal polarization, a concept central to understanding human divisions and guiding policy. Building on the classic 1994 framework by Esteban and Ray, this study challenges a key assumption that groups can be treated as infinitely divisible. By relaxing this constraint, the researchers developed a broader, more robust family of polarization indices that better reflect real-world social structures. The results provide clearer, more accurate insights into societal divides, avoiding counterintuitive rankings from previous models. These refined metrics equip policymakers and social scientists with more reliable tools to assess polarization and design strategies aimed at fostering social cohesion. Next paper explores how trust and emotions shape decision-making under uncertainty, using a modified Centipede game to probe human behavior beyond purely rational models. Researchers introduced uncertainty in game termination and measured participants' emotional arousal via skin conductance responses, alongside self-reported trust and risk-taking tendencies. The results revealed that uncertainty amplified physiological arousal, particularly when opponents chose self-interest over cooperation. Mutual trust promoted longer cooperation, but only when the game's end was predictable. Under uncertainty, even trusting participants became cautious. These findings show that trust is highly context-dependent, and our emotions actively influence strategic choices. By highlighting the interplay between physiological responses, trust, and uncertainty, the study provides deeper insight into why human behavior often diverges from classical economic predictions and informs better design of social systems and human-centric decision frameworks. Last paper explores the critical role of finance in ensuring food security for smallholder farmers, a cornerstone of global agricultural stability. Focusing on Ogun State in West Africa, researchers surveyed 380 farmers and analyzed the data using partial least squares structural equation modeling, PLSSEM. The results revealed a strong positive link between access to finance and food security, with over 60% of the variation in food security explained by financial access, R squared equals 0.615. These findings highlight that empowering farmers with timely, affordable financial resources is not just an economic concern, it's essential for boosting productivity, adopting sustainable practices, and strengthening community resilience. Prioritizing accessible financial infrastructure emerges as a key step toward global food security. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, join our newsletter to stay informed with the latest discoveries shaping science and innovation. See you tomorrow with a new round of breakthroughs. Take care.